to differentiate our function, we have to use product rule. So let me remind you, when we have u times v derivative, this is equal u prime times v plus u times v prime. In our case, u is equal x. V is equal 4 to power x plus 2. So now we have to find the derivative of u and v with respect to x. So u prime is equal, derivative of x is 1. And to find derivative of v, let me remind you, we have to use formula. Derivative of a to power u with respect to x is equal a to power u times natural log of a times derivative of u with respect to x. So in our case, v prime will be equal, first we have to just copy our expression, so it will be 4 to power x plus 2 times natural log of 4, because the base is 4. And next we have to find the derivative of our x plus 2 expression. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 2 is 0. So we don't have to write. So this is equal 4 to power x plus 2 times natural log of 4. Now to differentiate our function, we have to substitute. So dy to dx is equal, first we have u prime is equal 1, we can put in parentheses, times v is equal 4 to power x plus 2 plus, next we have u is equal x, times v prime is equal 4 to power x plus 2 times natural log of 4. This is equal, we can factorize 4 to power x plus 2, and in parentheses we will have 1 plus x times natural log of 4. This is my solution.